Hi students, how are you? I hope that you are all preparing seriously for your JEE mains examinations. So don't have the belief that JEE mains examination is one of the toughest examination in all over India. Don't have the belief that all the 30 problems given in the JEE mains examinations is a very difficult. Even an average and below average students cannot even attempt those questions. So don't have the belief that, but out of 30 questions, there are certain questions are there which you can solve using your board level concepts. Okay, now of course all problems can be solved using board level concepts only, but these type of problems I am going to explain now today. So they are very easy problems. Even a student who is an average and average students in board level also can attempt these problems. So do you believe that these questions were asked in previous JEE mains examinations? Okay, na? So watch this video completely, and definitely in each and every video you will get a one or other important point that is a very useful for your JEE mains examination. Okay, so without wasting your valuable time, so I am straight away starting the class. So today's problem is, so it was asked in 2014 mains examinations. So these options are also readily available. The question is, if PS is the median of the triangle with the vertices PQR. PQR are very clear. PQR, all x coordinates or y coordinates are given happy. Then the equation of the line passing through the point 1 comma minus 1 and parallel to the line PS. So here what is PS is the median of the triangle. So see here, it is just a board level question. So let us take a triangle a PQR. PQR. Here P is given how much? 2 comma 2. Q is given how much? 6 comma minus 1. R is given how much? 7 comma 3. Now what is saying? PS is the median. So already I explained what is median. It is a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. What is the midpoint of here? Yes. So this is the PS is the median. PS is the median. Okay, now then how we have to find out the equation of another line which is passing through 1 comma minus 1 and parallel to PS. So therefore we have to find out the equation of another line passing through 1 comma minus 1 and parallel to PS. These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. Okay, now then how to find out? Very easy. Find the slope of PS. Find the slope of PS. Therefore these two lines will have the same slope. Therefore point slope form, the problem is over. So what is the slope of PS? What is S? S is the midpoint of Q and R. So this is a 6 plus 7, 13 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3, 2 by 2 comma, that is 1. So what is the slope of PS? So this is a difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. That is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 13 by 2. So this is 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4. So this is a minus 9 by 2. This is equal to minus 2 by 9. Okay, now, so if you observe, the slope of the given line is also, this is a minus 2 by 9. So the equation of the line passing through the point 1 comma minus 1 having slope minus 2 by 9 is, so obviously your answer will be 2x plus 9y plus 7 is equal to 0. Why? Because the slope of this line is minus 2 by 9 and it passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. Substitute here 1 minus 1. So 2 plus 7, 9, 9 minus 9, 0. So very easy problem. Do you believe that this question is asked in 2014 JEE mains examinations? Yes, it was asked. Okay, even average students also can do such a type of problems. That's why, so concentrate on this board level questions also. Okay, so I hope that you understand this solution. So this type of problems, so some more problems are also there. Now in this video I am going to explain them. Okay, so let us see the next problem. Welcome to this second problem. The second problem is the x coordinate of the incenter of the triangle that has the coordinates of the midpoints of its sides is 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 is. Generally, the students will make a mistake here, not a mistake, but they make the problem very elaborate by considering this triangle 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. These are the vertices of the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Students will start do like that, but don't do like that. So they will draw a triangle like this, A, B, C. They'll start doing this, that the midpoint is, this is a 0, 1. So this is a 1, 1 and it is a 1, 0. So they are given the midpoints of the sides of the triangle and they will start doing this. So this is a x1, y1 and a x2, y2 and it is x3, y3 and they will find out the midpoint of BC. They will get two equations in x2, x3 and y2, y3. Again midpoint of AC, that is equal to 1, 4 and they will get some equations they will get and they will start doing the solving all the equations. It takes a time consuming problem. Understand this. But how to do this? This means, so instead of drawing this diagram like this, try to understand this, plot these coordinates in two-dimensional coordinate plane. Let us see how can we get. This is a y-axis and it is x-axis. X-axis, y-axis. Okay. So let us consider, so this is 0 and 1 and it is 2 and it is 3 and it is a 1 and it is 2 and it is 3. So since all coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinates are positive, I have taken only the first quadrant only. Now first to see the where will be the 0, 1. So 0, 1 will be here. So this is 0, 1. So x comma. Where will be 1, 1? So this will be your 1, 1. Where will be 1, 0? So this will be 1, 0. What are these 3 points? They are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. That means, so this point, particularly 1, 0, is the midpoint of, this is a, we can say this is a triangle. And this is the midpoint of this side. And this is the midpoint of this side. Understand? So this is a 1, 0. This is a 1, 1. And this point is 0, 1. Okay. Now your triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay now. Now what are the coordinates of this point 0, 0? Definitely what will be the coordinates of this A, you can call it as, this is a 2, 0. So this will be your 0, 2. Therefore your triangle is this. Your triangle is 0, 2. This is a 2, 0 and it is 0, 0. Understand this? Nice. So if you plot these points on a two-dimensional coordinate plane, so finding the vertices of the triangle is a very, very easy task. Now in center formula we know that he is asking only the x coordinate. So the x coordinate is given by the formula ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 upon a plus b plus c. Okay. What are a, b, c? They are the length of the sides. Let us call it as a, it is a b and it is c. What is the length of the side AC? The length of the side AC denoted by small b, it is given by 2 units. The length of the side AB, so length of the side AB, which is denoted by small a, it is given by root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus whole square. So root of 2 square plus 2 square, root of 4 plus 4, 8, 8 means 2 root 2. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8, root 8 means 2 root 2. Now coming to this BC is denoted by, so the side BC is denoted by, AB is denoted by, sorry, so this will be C, BC is denoted by small a. The small a is given by, so this is equal to how much, what is the length from 0, 0 to 0 to 2 units. So you know A value, you know B value, you know C value, so everything is known. So what is your x coordinate of the in center? So A into x1. So A means how much? What is the length of AB? So what is the length of AB means 2. 2 into x1 means how much? 0 plus B into B means how much? AC length, that is a 2 into 0 plus C. C means how much? AB length. AB length is equal to how much? 2 root 2. So here 2 root 2. So the length of, so here one more mistake we did here. Here AC length is equal to how much? B. So x2 value is 2. X2 value is 2. Okay, now. So this is a 2 root 2. So this length is 2 root 2. X1 value is 0 divided by A plus B plus C. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. So this is equal to 2 2s are 4. So I am writing here. So that is equal to 4 upon. So this is a 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 root 2. 4 plus 2 root 2. So you can cancel 2 by 2 plus root 2. So this is a 2 minus root 2, 2 minus root 2. So this is these two can be get cancelled, 2 minus root 2. So 2 minus root 2 will be the right answer for this problem. So from this problem, from this solution, what are the inference you will get? What are the inference you will get means, here observe the points 0 comma 1, 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 0. They are saying that they are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, now then so instead of taking the triangle like this, and finding the coordinates, better you plot these points in a two-dimensional coordinate plane so that you can get easily the vertices of the triangle ABC. Okay, now. So, but if you observe that this is a problem given in 2013 mains examination, but even then the students will still they will commit mistakes by taking triangle ABC like this and solving the equations x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. So getting those values. So they will, there is a chance of doing mistakes here. So you have to think in a analytically. If you think in a analytically, the solution will be very, very easy. Okay. So such type of problems is also another one is there. So don't go away. So see the next problem. Welcome to this third problem. The third problem is, let O0 comma 0 and P3 comma 4 and Q6 comma 0 be the vertices of a triangle OPQ. Okay, very nice. The point R is inside the triangle OPQ. Yes, the point R is inside the triangle OPQ is such that the triangles OPR, PQR and OQR are of equal area. The coordinates of R are, he is saying. See here, we have one property. If you say that one property, so first of all, let us draw the triangle OPQ. Okay, in the better you take, since these are very small coordinates, small numbers, better you take them in a coordinate plane you take. So your the triangle is this. So x-axis and y-axis. So this is a 0 and these points is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and coordinates of this point. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is a O0 comma 0? So this is a 0 comma 0. So this is 0 comma 0 and the next point is P3 comma 4. So this is a 3 and it is a 4. So this is a 3 comma 4 and 6 comma 0. So this point is a 6 comma 0. So this is a O and it is a P and it is Q. Okay. let us join these three vertices. We will get a triangle OPQ. So, this is the triangle we got. Okay, right, OPQ is a triangle. First of all, if you observe that, so what is the triangle OPQ? Whether it is a equilateral or isosceles or a right angle, it is not a right angle triangle, or scalene triangle. If you observe, what is the midpoint of OR? So, this is a 3, 0. So, this is also 3, 4. So, if you observe, this is a, therefore, OP is equal to PQ. So, here it is 3, 0, it is also 3, 4. That means the point P is on the perpendicular bisector of the side OQ. Therefore, definitely OP is equal to PQ. Otherwise, so if you don't have that, if you didn't get that much of idea, so just what is the distance between O and P? Square root of 9 plus 16, 25. Square root of 9, square root of 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25, root 25 means 5. So, what is the distance between PQ? 6 minus 3 whole square. 6 minus 3 whole square means 3 square, 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16, 25, root 25, 5. So, this length is 5, this length is also 5. So, first of all, this is an isosceles triangle. First thing you have to remember that. Now, coming to the next point. What is the next point is here? R is a point inside the triangle OPQ, okay, such that the triangles OPR. That means it is a point, this is R is a point inside this triangle such that OPR, where is OPR? OPR. So, this is a R, this is a OPR, PQR, where is PQR? PQR, PQR, and the third triangle is obviously OQR. These three triangles have equal area. These three triangles have equal area. This is possible only when this point is centroid. This point is centroid. That we have a property. A centroid, that in an isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, so in an isosceles triangle, a centroid divides the triangle into three triangles of equal area. That is the property we have. Triangles of equal area. So, these three triangles are equal area means what? The R should be centroid of the triangle OPQ. Therefore, what are the coordinates of R? Centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That means 3 plus 0 plus 6, that is 9 by 3, that is a 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, that means 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4 by 3. So, this is 4 by 3. So, your coordinates of R are 3, 4 by 3. So, here from this problem, what you will, from this solution, what is the inference you get means, in an isosceles triangle, if these three triangles are equal in area, R must be centroid. Okay, na? So, I hope that you understand this concept. So, such a type of one more problem is also there, very, very easy concept. You can solve this JEE mains examinations. Then let us see that problem. Welcome to this problem. So, while solving the problem, you should have a creative thinking. So, if you have a creative thinking, the solutions of the problems is a very, very easy, very, very simple. Okay. So, here such a type of one problem is there, very simple problem, that is the orthocenter of the triangle with the vertices 0, 0, 3, 4 and 4, 0. Generally, the students will do like this. Immediately they will start drawing a triangle like this. So, this is a triangle A, B, C, and they will take 0, 0 and it is a 3, 4 and it is a 4, 0. And they will find out the equation of altitude AD and you will find the equation of altitude BB, and this will be your orthocenter O. Generally, students will start doing. Of course, you will get the solution and you will get the answer also, correct answer also you will get. But think in a creatively. If you think in a creatively, so finding the equation of AD and finding the equation of BE, no need of that. So, observe the coordinates, that is a 0, 0, 3, 4, 4, 0. So let us plot these points in a coordinate plane. Okay, now, so let us observe what happens. Let us see this coordinate plane. So this is a y-axis and it is a x-axis and it is origin. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, some 5. So 0, comma 0, yes. So this point is 0, comma 0. Okay. Second point is 3, comma 4. So this is a 3 and it is 4. So this is called as some 3, comma 4. The next point is 4, comma 0. So this is your 4, comma 0. This point, this point, this point, these 3 points. Okay. Join these 3 vertices. So I joined this vertex and this is a vertex. Okay, and this also joined. So this is a required triangle. Okay, now, right. So we want to find out the orthocenter of this triangle. Okay, now, then orthocenter, definitely it is not an equilateral triangle, it is not an isosceles triangle, and it is a scalene triangle, first of all. Okay, that also have to observe. Why? Because it is a 3, comma 4. If it is the midpoint of 0, comma 4 is 2, comma 0. So it is not this is 2, comma 4, 3, comma 4. That means it is not an isosceles triangle also. Equilateral triangle is also not right. Then if you observe this, this will be your altitude. That is BD is your altitude. Okay. Definitely, and let us take this O some E. OE is another altitude. This is your orthocenter O. So what are the coordinates of orthocenter means one thing you can say, that is the yx coordinate will be 3. Why? Because it is a vertical line. Altitude means what? Vertical, perpendicular to x-axis. Here one of the side is x-axis. So it is a perpendicular to x-axis means this is a vertical line. On the vertical line x coordinates are same, therefore here it is 3. This is also the orthocenter, x coordinate is also 3. Therefore, if you see the options 3, 3, 3, 3. Therefore, there is no option elimination of options. Generally in JEE mains that won't be not possible. Okay. Therefore, we don't know the y coordinate, put it as y. So if you find out y value, the problem is over. For that, what the hint we will use? So we know that the slope of OE and the slope of so this is a OE slope and this is altitude. So therefore, if you observe this, which will be the perpendicular to each other. So if you observe OD, call it as a OA, slope of OA and slope of B, and this BO, we can take that as a BO, are perpendicular. Therefore, the product of their slopes is equal to -1. That is slope of OA, that is 0 into slope of, this is a slope of OA into slope of BD. So slope of OA is a 0, we cannot take this as 0. So let us consider this as these two are perpendicular, BD and BD is perpendicular to OA. Right. So we will take one thing like this, slope of OE, slope of OE into slope of OE into slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to -1. Why? Because OE is perpendicular to AB. OE is perpendicular to AB. Understand? Therefore, the product of their slopes is equal to -1. Slope of OE, OE slope is equal to how much? Here the point is 3, 0 is. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus y1. So this is equal to y by 3 into slope of AB, slope of AB. That means 4 minus 0, that is a 4 by 3 minus 4 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Okay now. So your y value is equal to, so your y value is 3 by 4. So your y value is 3 by 4. Therefore, your ortho center is 3 comma 3 by 4. Option 3 is the right answer. So first I tried to find out BD is perpendicular to OA. That is not possible. Why? Because these two lines are perpendicular. Only the product of their slopes is not equal to minus 1. Why? Because I already told that any one of the lines should not be parallel to coordinate axis. Okay. Therefore, here OA, no. So that attempt is failed. So don't like that. So instead of that, take OE is perpendicular to AB. OE is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, slope of OE into slope of AB is equal to minus 1. Thereby, you will get y value 3 by 4. Okay. So instead of finding this, if you think in a logical way, so immediately you will get x coordinate, and afterward just if you apply this property, slope of OE is equal to slope of AB is equal to minus 1. So immediately we will get the y value also. Okay. So very nice problem this is. So let us see. So this type of problem is also one more problem is there. So don't go away. So let us see the next problem. Dear students, this is a one small problem. So at the end I am going to teach you. So everybody can do this problem. So the number of integer values or integral values of m for which the x coordinates of the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 and y is equal to mx plus 1 is also an integer. So here there are two lines are there. So therefore he is saying the number of integer values of m for which the x coordinates of the point of intersection. So this x coordinate is there, no, that should be an integer I. So y coordinate is not saying anything. So here first equation is this is a y is equal to mx plus 1. The second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. There are two line equations are there. So point of intersection x coordinate should be integer. Then how many such m values will be there? So first of all, let us solve these two equations. Let us see what happens. So how to solve this equation? Don't go away for any cross multiplication, nothing. We want x coordinate. That's why this is a 3x plus 4 into, in place of y, substitute mx plus 1. This is equal to 9 so that you can get x coordinate. Okay. So this is equal to 3x plus 4mx plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay now. So this is equal to x into 3 plus 4m is equal to, if you go that side, 5. Okay. So this is equal to 5 by 3 plus 4m. This should be an integer. This should be an integer. How can this be an integer? So if you observe here, the denominator 3 plus 4m, either it should be plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 5. It should be plus. If it is a 1, 5 by 1, 5 integer. If it is a minus 1, 5 by minus 1, minus 5 an integer. If it is plus 5, 5 by 5, 1, it is an integer. If it is a minus 5, 5 by minus 5, minus 1, it is an integer. Understand? So the 3 plus 4m value either should be plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 5. Then what is the value of m? So he is asking the number of integer values of m. Again he wants m value. So let us solve this. So if you take a 3 plus 4m is equal to 1, your m value cannot be an integer. Definitely, so let us check it. M is equal to how much? 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 4. It is not an integer. Let us take minus 1. 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1. So if you take that side, so m value is equal to minus 1. So therefore, m is equal to minus 1, one integer value we got. So coming to here plus or minus 1. 3 plus 4m is equal to 5. 3 plus 4m is equal to 5. Is an mn is integer? No, we cannot get an integer. So 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 5. So m is equal to minus 2. So can I take minus 2? 4 into 2 minus 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5. Therefore, m is equal to minus 2. Okay, now, so here m values, 2 fraction values we got, 2 integer values we got. M is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus 2. Your answer is the number of integral values are 2. Okay, now, so this is a very simple problem, but also it was given in JEE examination 2001, so very long back. So dear students, what I want to tell from this video is, there are certain problems are there which are giving basing on your board level only. That's why once you go through your NCERT textbooks and CBSE textbooks also, you thoroughly practice those problems also. Basing on those concepts, also problems are giving in your JEE mains examination. Don't think that all the 30 problems are difficult. Okay, if all 30 problems will be difficult, nobody can, if it is a very difficult, nobody will answer such type of questions. Okay, there are only few students will answer that questions. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems. I will stand before you tomorrow's class. Until then, all the best.